Hi everyone. Next up, I'll walk you through a quick demo showing how to create a pie chart, a donut chart, and what I believe is one of the most underrated visual types in Power BI, the tree map. Let's start by opening the Power BI file from our last video. Click the plus sign to add a new report page. Double-click the New Page tab, rename it Pie, Donut and Tree Map, and press Enter. Next, go to the View tab on the ribbon. From the Page View drop-down, select Actual Size. Now let's build our first visual. In the Fields pane, check the Total Sales measure in the Orders table. Then select the Province field from the DIM Customers table. In the Visualizations pane, click the pie chart icon. Power BI will automatically create a pie chart. With the pie chart selected, go to the Format tab under Visualizations. Expand Detail Labels. Under Values, set the font size to 12 and make it bold. Expand the title section. Change the font to Arial Black and set the font size to 16. Use the sizing handles to enlarge the pie chart and position it in the top left corner of the report page. Now click the pie chart to give it focus, copy it, and paste it onto the same page. Move the copy to the right of the original. With the copied visual selected, go to the Visualizations pane and switch it to a donut chart. And just like that, we've created a second parts to whole visual. Now let's move on to the tree map. In the Visualizations pane, you'll see the tree map icon. It looks like a large rectangle divided into smaller boxes, which is exactly how the visual appears. To create it, copy the first visualization again, paste it, and move it to the bottom of the report page. With the visual selected, simply click the tree map icon to convert it from a pie chart into a tree map. This time, instead of province, let's configure it to show total sales by category and subcategory. A tree map is designed to show composition. In this case, we're visualizing how total sales break down across product categories and subcategories. What makes this visual so powerful is that, even without reading the data labels, you can immediately see relative volume and proportion just by comparing the size of the rectangles. For example, you can clearly see that lawn and garden drives the largest share of sales, followed by tools, then household, and so on. Simply by comparing the area of each rectangle. One of the things I really like about tree maps is that they can be extremely effective without displaying a single number. Notice that data labels are currently toggled off. Even without exact figures, the visual still tells a very clear story about how sales volume is distributed across categories. Of course, we can always turn data labels back on if we want to show exact sales values. And don't forget about tooltips. When users hover over a section, they can access deeper, more detailed information. So overall, the tree map is a simple, clean, yet highly effective visual. Another powerful feature is that we've added subcategory, which gives us drill-down capabilities. Let's try it. Here's the tree map broken down by subcategory. Again, you read it by comparing the relative sizes of the rectangles. Let's switch to focus mode to get a closer look. You'll see larger segments, like sundries, household plumbing indoor, growing products, and fencing, toward the top and left. As you move toward the bottom right, the rectangles become smaller and smaller, representing lower sales volumes. At the very bottom, for example, we see fireplace, with sales of $665.82, representing one of the smallest subcategories. Now let's return to the main report view. If we plan to let users toggle between category and subcategory, we may want to adjust the title to reflect that flexibility. For now, let's drill back up and default to the category view. And there you have it. To wrap up, we used a pie chart, a donut chart, and a tree map to create parts to whole visualizations. Each serves a slightly different purpose, but together they give us multiple ways to communicate composition and proportion effectively. Next up, we'll continue exploring additional visual types and start diving into key metrics using cards and KPI visuals. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support our work and stay up to date with future lessons. See you next time.